Now I discovered a box in front of my door, something I was not expecting, and after reading who it was from, I was really surprised to receive this box of stuff because it's not even the same scale. Inside that box were 2 model train cars, which I will review later on in this video, and I'll give a big shout out and thank you to the individual who sent me those 2 cars. I much appreciate it. In fact, he's a good friend of mine and I enjoy his company. So I'll let you know who it is and what his channel is at the end of the video so you can look him up and follow him too. And give him a thank you because this is a way cool gift. It was a surprise to me. Now you don't need to see me opening the box. It's not that exciting. But what I will do is I'll start a review on the 2 model train cars that came within that box. So let's get that rolling right now. Let's have a quick look at these Exactrail N-Scale box cars. One thing I always liked about the Exactrail product, even though it is in a cardboard box, is the fact that they do print a railroad herald of the car itself. So when you have them stacked and in storage, it just makes it much easier to spot the herald logo. So granted, I do like the jewel case that you get with Microtrains and other brands. The cardboard box is still better than nothing. Let's take a quick peek at these. And we'll open up the other one. At this time, I believe Exactrail is no longer in existence anymore. They seem to be bought up by a megalomaniac type of company, so we'll see how that goes. Somebody's got a bigger ego than they can cash is basically what it is. Let's see what we got here. So if we look at the cars, they're really nice. They do have the underbody detail on them that I've never understood the purpose of doing that, because the only time you ever see underbody detail in an N-Scale car is if you knock it over, it falls off the track. The other thing that kind of bothers me, just looking at this really quick, is the fact that it is all green underneath. I'm pretty sure this would be black, brown, or some other color than basically Burlington Northern green. They come with, they look like Microtrain couplers. They are body mounted couplers on them. And let me take a closer look just to verify that they're Microtrains. And I'm going to say they are Microtrains couplers, or a very close compatible type of coupler on them. For weight wise, they feel about right. I don't have my scale here, but I'm just going to say they feel about right for weight. They do have metal wheel sets on them with an excessively wide tread on them. Flange depth looks about okay. I'm not going to pull out micrometers and get all down to details and everything. Again, this is N-Scale. And for viewing distances and operation wise, this is about what you'll see. If you can't see the issues on them, they're not issues. Unless you pick them up and you decide, I need to look at these extremely up close and go, oh my goodness, they are not correct. But I think it's pretty doggone good with the underbody detail here. Looks nice, acceptable, but again, it's something you'll never see. Brake wheel looks clean. And let's see, the writing looks clear and legible. I hope I don't outfocus it on my camera. In fact, let me bring it down to the better camera here. This should focus up on it pretty good. Looks pretty clean and legible. So that's pretty much it. These are the Exactrail, which is now defunct, I'm pretty sure. Exactrail Burlington Northern Evans 5277 single door box car. Early Burlington Northern. So kind of sad that they aren't around anymore. If I'm wrong on that, correct me in the comments. But a very nice car for what they are. In fact, they're actually a really nice car for what they are. Let's get on the layout and give them a run. Now for my opinion, these Exactrail models I think are quality models. I'm looking forward to running those on my layout. I still want to give a big shout out and thank you to Joe Garachi, or Joe G on YouTube. And if he's looking really close, check your mail. You're getting a sticker and a magnet. Thank you very much for sending me these cars. And don't forget, the rest of you, check out that video, watch it right now. Or that video, watch that. And as always, stay frosty, my friends.